The central idea of creating Asian Institute of Nephrology and Urology is to create an institution which can deliver high quality services in fields of urology and nephrology. These things were restricted only to some corporate hospitals till now. We want to create an institution which can deliver these services at an affordable cost to every member of the society. Not only this, we want to create an institution for training future generation of urologists which will be useful to this society in future. To deliver these high quality services, you require committed team members. In our institution, the team members are not only professionals working for it, but also partners of the institution. This increases their responsibility. The investment involved is going to be huge in creating these institutions, but the targets can be met with easily by these committed team members. A single specialty institution with high volumes and a committed team members looking after various subspecialties of urology will be an ideal ground for a younger urologist to get trained. We are successful in creating an institution of this kind for future generation of urologists.
We have invested 40 crores in Asian Institute of Nephrology and Urology, Hyderabad. Our core investment was in physical infrastructure, including the development of a 100-seater learning center, medical equipment, development of protocols and quality assurances, and a very good surgical team. After 3 years, we found the deficiency of a robotic surgical system. Then we acquired Da Vinci S1 surgical system. This is one of the few single specialty hospitals in the world to have this system. We started Asian Institute of Nephrology and Urology with 2 senior urologists and 2 junior urologists. Over time, as the work increased, we had to recruit more urologists, and many people were interested to join the institute because of a good work being done and also a good academic activity here. They were not only getting the monthly salary, but there was a variable income depending on the performance of the institute.
We at Asian Institute of Nephrology and Urology were always keen on building a competent team which could deliver all the subspecialty related services in urology. We always were looking to recruit youngsters who had a long-term commitment towards the institute and thereby giving them the liberty to subspecialize in the field of their interest. In today's world of modern medicine, subspecialization is the way forward. We at Asian Institute of Nephrology and Urology have always believed firmly in subspecialization. We have put a team together in various subspecialties like laparoscopic urology, robotic urology, endourology and andrology, to name a few. And this has allowed us to train our younger generation in a more effective manner.
We are working in a highly specialized area of nephrology and urology in a nephrology-urology oriented hospital, where for our end-stage renal disease patients we need help of urologists in creating arteriovenous fistulas. We also do a large number of kidney transplantations with usually related donors, and our urologists have been more than helpful in doing successfully the kidney transplantation as well as post-kidney transplant follow-up work.
Teamwork is the ability to work towards a common vision. It is a fuel that enables common people to attain uncommon results. At Asian Institute of Nephrology and Urology, we work as a team, and it has got many advantages. One can focus on the subspecialty of your own interest. Your patient's care is doubled, as your colleagues are involved in the decision making, intra-op and post-operative care to the patient. Your experience and expertise of your colleagues are utilized to give an overall better outcome to the patient.
Asian Institute of Nephrology and Urology is working towards creating a similar centers of excellence in future, both in treating the disease and training the younger urologists. The basic motto of team members being partners of the institution will remain the same.